Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, we will take you to Kiyomizu-Dera. Let's go! Our journey from Ocean's Shinsaibashi in Osaka. The train ride from Osaka to Kyoto is actually very easy and comfortable. So, we just sat back and enjoyed the views along the way. Alright, so we made it to Kyoto. When you get off the train, it's a bit of a walk from the station exit to get to the main sites. But honestly, walking through the streets here is part of the fun. Since it's spring, the weather is absolutely perfect. Not too cold, not too hot, but because it's spring, that also means one thing: lots of tourists. Japan during spring is super busy, but the energy is really great. Now, as you get closer to the temple area, the roads start to go uphill. It's definitely a bit of workout for your legs. So, if you ever come here, make sure you wear very comfortable walking shoes. About 100 to 200 meters up the slope from the main road, you'll see this incredible view, the Yasaka Pagoda. Seeing it in person, towering over the old traditional street, is just amazing. It feels like you step back in time. All along the way up to Kiyomizu-Dera, both sides of the street are packed with souvenir shops, traditional food stalls, and cafes. You'll see plenty of people walking around in traditional kimonos, which make the whole atmosphere feel even more special. We took our time walking up, checking out the small shops, and taking photos. That's the beauty of going at your own pace. No tour guide rushing you to get back on the bus. Look at this view. Kiyomizu-Dera is one of the most famous temples in Japan, and it's easy to see because the iconic red wooden structures surrounded by the lush green and spring colors are just beautiful. We walk up another set of stairs that leads to these two amazing temple structures. These are the Shaka-do and Amida-do halls. This temple is built on a mountain slope, which means there are a lot of stairs and steep uphill paths. If you or someone you're traveling with has knee problems, joint pain, or bone issues, please keep this in mind. The walk up the souvenir street is continuous incline, and inside the temple grounds, you'll be going up and down many stone staircases. My advice: make sure to wear supportive shoes, bring a knee support or walking stick if you use one, and take plenty of breaks along the way. So, don't rush. Take your time resting at the shops or benches along the paths. We spent a bit more time walking around the temple grounds, enjoying the fresh air, taking in the views, and just take it easy. Even with all the walking and the crowds, doing this trip together with my daughter made it super memorable. Because we arrived a bit late and took our time, the main paid ticket counter was already closed. So we didn't end up going inside the inner paid hall. But honestly, that was totally fine. Everything we walked through, all the way from the streets near Yasaka Pagoda right up to the main hall grounds, was completely free to access and explore. You still get to see so much incredible architecture without spending a single yen on admissions ticket. Honestly, standing here and looking out over the trees, I was already thinking about coming back. I really want to visit again when the cherry blossom are in full bloom, because seeing all these pink flowers surrounding the ancient temple must make it look even more breathtakingly beautiful. If you're planning a trip to Kyoto, doing it DIY is definitely worth it if you want the freedom to sleep in, wander around, and explore at your own speed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions about traveling to Kyoto, and hit subscribe for the next video. See you in the next one.